What energy are you embodying currently? Dead end. So you do feel stuck somewhere. Feel like you've come to the end of something, which there cannot be any movement over here. Okay, okay. Whoa, I have all major cards. I have the lovers, death, and the hermit. So there is a relationship in your life that you feel like there is no more path forward over here, or at least you can't see that over here. This could be an internal block also, because I think somewhere the external situations are overpowering your fear so much that you're not even being able to see through something that you can maybe navigate very easily. So this block that you feel is forcing you to just withdraw from the situation, and almost like you're giving up before even trying right now. Well, this block is the fear of not being reciprocated. A deep rooted fear where you feel like, what if I give my all to this situation and I don't get the same outcome as what I was hoping for? Maybe this is coming from a past experience that you've had, which left like a strong impact on you. But you have to understand that no two stories repeat itself. No two stories are the same. When the circumstances are driving a situation, and when it is your own inner limitation that is stopping you from really pursuing things that you really want to. Because I am seeing with the lovers card, there is something or someone you feel very strongly for. This is not a casual connection. Even you know it. Like you, it's not even a question for you. You just know. But what is sad over here is that you are ready to give up, in fact, before even trying to make this work. There is a huge fear that you are dealing with unconsciously or consciously. Check for a guidance for you at this point. Well, the guidance for you is Four of Wands. You can actually make this happen. The problems that you're seeing in this is not entirely true. It's really your fear screaming right now.